Hi, my name's Dean Terbarelli and I'm the founder of the Sanctuary at Sedona, and I'm here to talk to you about our new Biohacking for Recovery laboratory that we've brought to the Sanctuary. And the biohacking is really all about feeling better, feeling in our top condition for as much as we can, as quick as we can. Now, why do we apply that to recovery? Because people come in so depleted, whether you have anxiety and depression for years on end, addictions, PTSD, all the things that people come to the Sanctuary for are very depleting. So we found, yes, we serve the finest food and we have body work, we have all the things to support that, but we've found that now there's some technology out there that can actually have that all happen faster. And I came to this because I'm super interested myself. I've spent the last decade studying every kind of device, machine under the sun, and all the things actually at the Sanctuary I've tried. So notice that people, we can help them with their brain health. So when we talk about the tagline of the Sanctuary, heal the body, repair the brain, recover the soul. Well, here's how we're doing that. So when we talk about some of the technologies that are out there that can, for example, we have brain tap devices that help balance left and right hemispheres of the brain. We'll bring you into a more relaxed state. We've measured, there's a device that we can measure heart rate variability pre and post one session, and there's a change in one session with that device. Hypoxia machines, when we create a little bit of stress on the mitochondria actually multiply. And that's the power center of your cell, more energy in every cell of your body, meaning you can engage in treatment in a deeper way, further, faster, stronger in your process here at the Sanctuary. We have infrared sauna where we can A, sweat out toxins, and B, helps with inflammation. We're super proud of our new colonic department. And when we think about some of the pharmaceuticals that keep people plugged up, some of the street drugs that do stress, right? And how much toxicity is in the colon that we just continually reabsorb, making us feel terrible. And so terrible becomes our baseline. When we began this process, people were having these profound experiences around it in their sessions after these. So colonics we're super excited about that. Of course, we have our IV therapy lab that we've had for a few years now, and we're always upgrading with new processes. We have a couple of nervous system regulating IVs that are really like resets for the nervous system. Then we have things like vibration machines, and that can help clean your lymphatic, again, detoxification, and PEMF, which is about your sort of, again, your nervous system, and just different ways of interacting with the nervous system. We're really proud of our dry float bed. So we have, everybody knows about flotation and how relaxing it is, right? So we have people with anxiety, and not everybody can get in a wet float because you have to take your clothes off, blah, blah, blah. This is a dry float tank. So you're in your clothes, you get submersed in this tank, you stay dry, and people drift off and are able to relax. And the quality of rest that they get is significantly better per minute than you would if you were just laying down in bed. We have various red light therapies, which is about just inflammation and reducing inflammation. And there is such a correlation between inflammation and brain health, because if your body's inflamed, so is your brain. And we have lasers for your brain actually to help repair. So we have a Weber laser for the brain. And we have this all in our new biohacking lab. And we've seen people that can wind up doing so much more in treatment because they're feeling better. They can get out of bed in the morning, not on day 21, but on day 5. And so we found that it's been a giant support in our overall process here at the Sanctuary.